Hey everybody, so we've got a new one that we're going to try out today. Got us a little STX Audio, looks like an X69.2B 6x9, 950 watts max power, whatever. Let's check out some specs. 4 ohms, 91 decibels, 88 hertz to 20,000 hertz. So probably not going to be all that bassy. Should be loud. So to look at it, if you look here, it looks very similar to the DS18s, the Gale Force, I believe the American Bass. They all pretty much look exactly alike. As a matter of fact, the DS18 grill is almost identical to this one that comes in. Very hefty magnet though, I will say. That is a gigantic magnet, and it is a very heavy speaker. Does not feel cheap by any means. It's got a beautiful little red and white tweeter cover there to make it look like a candy cane if you like that. You can see that it is protected from bass into the tweeter. Get my thumb out of there so you can kind of see that the spider assembly looks pretty good. It's very well made, like I said, basically about like the others. So let's give her a run. We got one set up there. We got 24 volts on a 1001U. Everything is, let's see, the phone volume will be about 75%. Amp volume's at 75%. I believe I've got the treble and bass right now set at about 75% as well. Here we go.
This road with fire in my hands. Every sin I've sown now stains this land. Ain't no preacher calling my name. Ain't no savior to take my blame.
So first thoughts, first time I've heard that thing, played that song particularly. I did do a little tuning on some others. Nice and clean and clear and loud, just like the American Bass and the DS18, and just about as much bass. It's there. It's not real heavy. It's not real thick, but it does give a little bass tone. I'm sure you'd have to do some adjustments if you were playing music that was solid hard bass, like some rap or something like that. So at the price point of, like, I think they were around $75, $79 on eBay. Not a bad choice, actually. I kind of like them. I'm actually kind of impressed because I was told by an expert that the STX Audio really wasn't all that good a brand. I'm not finding that. I'm finding pretty decent. So hope that helps. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Come back next time for another one.